My favorite way of changing subconscious beliefs is using EFT tapping, but I shared in this video where the comment was posted that I also love hypnosis. The best way to hypnotize your subconscious mind is during your sleep or any time when you're in the theta brainwave state. So that's as you wake up in the morning and just before you go to bed. This is why it's so important to have a morning and night routine and to make sure that during these times you're not feeding your brain with anything that you don't want to manifest. I know it's so easy to get into the scroll hole just as you wake up or before you go to bed, but it's so much better to prime your brain for success during these times. I love meditating or listening to affirmations before I go to bed. This is how you hypnotize your subconscious mind. You can record your own voice or listen to an affirmation from someone you trust. I have 8-hour sleep affirmations inside my program, Become Magnetic. If you want to get in on that, check out the link at the top of my page. But I can tell you this, it works. If you listen to frequency music, to affirmations when you're sleeping and just as you wake up, you will start to feel the shifts within. You will start to feel better about your life. And as that happens, things will start to shift in your external reality. So hypnosis is great because you're giving suggestions to your subconscious mind and you're feeding it affirmations that you want to believe in. And of course, as you're starting out, you're not going to believe any of the affirmations you're listening to, and that's okay. That's normal. It takes time to believe in your new reality, so just keep going, keep doing it, and one day it will just happen where you will feel differently. You will start to see that it's easier to believe in your new affirmations, and then suddenly you'll be living a brand new life. But the work does not stop there. You have to keep feeding your mind throughout the day. Whenever an old negative thought pops up, you have to say your new affirmation. Just say it. It doesn't matter if you don't feel it or believe it. Just keep saying it on a loop. Okay? I hope that helps. Ask me any questions below, and I'll see you next time.